Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonas, and in today's video of the Kilimanjaro series, we are going to be discussing the benefits of using Diamox during your trek on Mount Kilimanjaro with Altezza Travel. So what is Diamox exactly? Well, also known as acetazolamide, Diamox is a medication that's commonly used to prevent and reduce the symptoms of altitude sickness. As you climb higher on Mount Kilimanjaro, the air pressure drastically decreases, making it a lot more challenging for your body to get the oxygen that it needs. Altitude sickness can occur when your body struggles to adjust to these lower oxygen levels. Let's dive into the benefits of using Diamox during your Kilimanjaro trek. Faster acclimatization and reduced symptoms of altitude sickness. Simply put, Diamox helps your body to acclimate faster and more effectively by increasing your breathing rate, allowing you to take in more oxygen, which is essential given the lower oxygen levels present in the air at the high altitudes. This also improves the delivery of oxygen throughout your body, which of course helps to prevent or lessen the severity of common altitude sickness symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, nausea, and shortness of breath. Improved sleep. At high altitudes, some trekkers may experience periodic breathing, which is basically irregular breathing patterns while you're sleeping. Diamox can help regulate your breathing, resulting in much better sleep and then feeling well rested throughout the duration of your entire trek. One of the many great things about trekking with Altezza Travel is that Diamox is readily available in our standard medical kits. This of course means that you don't need to worry about bringing it with you. Normally, we recommend taking a 125 milligram pill in the morning and in the evening. It's important to note that Diamox is not suitable for everyone, and of course I'll cover that in a minute. Diamox can have some unpleasant but non-critical side effects. During the first few days, it increases your frequency of urinating until the body has fully adapted to the medication. Secondly, some people experience a sort of tingling sensation in their fingertips. Some hikers also feel a slight sense of numbness in parts of their face, but besides that, we're not aware of any other Diamox side effects. Our company's statistics show that those clients who do take Diamox have a much higher chance of reaching the summit successfully. This is especially true for beginner hikers. However, it is important to note that Diamox is a prescription medication and should be used under the guidance of a medical professional. Before your trek, consult your doctor to discuss whether Diamox is appropriate for you, as well as the recommended dosage and any potential side effects. It's crucial to mention that not everyone should take Diamox for acclimatization. If you fall into any of the following categories, it's best to consult with your healthcare professional before even considering Diamox. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, those with a known allergy or sensitivity to sulfia medications, people with liver or kidney issues, individuals with low potassium levels or electrolyte imbalances, those taking certain medications such as aspirin, which may interact with Diamox. Diamox can provide significant benefits, it's essential to remember that it's not a substitute for proper acclimatization practices. To ensure a safe and enjoyable trek, you have to follow the golden rules of acclimatization. Choose longer route itineraries, hike at a moderate pace, stay well hydrated, and of course, listen to your guides. In summary, Diamox can be a valuable tool preventing altitude sickness and ensuring a much more comfortable trek to the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro. However, it is crucial to consult with your doctor before using this medication and to combine the use of Diamox with proper acclimatization techniques. And that sums it up. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos about Mount Kilimanjaro and Altezza Travel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy hiking!